Hit by a series of corruption charges and battling tough challenges both on political and economic fronts, the Congress party is now taking some time out to plan ahead in what is the first exercise of its kind in the UPA2. Party's thinking heads are holding a boardroom meeting today in Surajkund in Haryana. This meeting is set to start at 10 a.m. and will be a brainstorming session for all like-minded politicians where the Congress is concerned, 75 of them meeting today. And in attendance will be the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, Party Chief Sonia Gandhi, General Secretary Rahul Gandhi and members of the all-powerful Congress Working Committee. Interestingly, Party Chief Ministers have not been invited for this session. The session will kickstart with Sonia's opening remarks followed by the Prime Minister's speech, after which P. Chidambaram will initiate a debate. No resolution will be passed after the meeting, which is being seen as yet another move to prepare for the 2014 battle. All right, let's cut across today morning to our deputy editor, Karthikeya Sharma, who is with us live in the studio. Karthikeya, thank you for joining us on Wake Up India. Now, can we officially say, Karthikeya, that the Congress is officially in poll mode, and what is on the table to discuss?
You see, the meeting is going to be kick-started by a speech by Sonia Gandhi, which will look into the political landscape. Then the Prime Minister is going to speak on the economic issues with an intervention from P. Chidambaram, Finance Minister. Then there will be an open house session where leaders or various members, they will be allowed to say or touch upon issues which they wanted to and perhaps they never got an opportunity. And then there is going to be a special section on the manifesto as to what the manifesto of the Congress party should look like in 2014, and that discussion would be initiated by Rahul Gandhi. Now, what makes this Samvad Baithak very important, Preeti, is that it's a precursor to a larger Chintan Baithak, which is going to be organized in January. So not only in terms of what are the political challenges which Congress party is facing, it will also look into the complex economic issues. It will also formulate a policy to stand up to the challenge which the party is facing right now. And I would say that the issues like graft, corruption, civil society activists, they are all going to be part of the discussion which is going to take place today at Surajkund.
You know, Karthikeya, what we are hearing is that there are no lunch breaks. We do know it's a 6-hour marathon-long session. No breaks at all, no coffee breaks, no lunch breaks, no media. Now, you're going to be there and we know you're going to be getting us the very latest. What is it that you will get for us? What can we break later on in the day?
See, I wouldn't say no lunch. They'll have a working lunch. So, they will get their little small breaks, but yes, it's a marathon meeting. It's a very serious affair. It's coming at a point of time when the Congress is at its lowest ebb. For example, even yesterday in Raebareli, Preeti, when the cavalcade of Sonia Gandhi was moving from Raebareli to Fursadganj Airport, there were a lot of workers who booed her, and this has happened for the first time. I would concentrate on getting news which affects Aam Aadmi, common man, and I'm being given to believe that a lot of leaders will talk about LPG subsidy, diesel prices, and there is a great unease in Congress party, Preeti, and people and the senior leaders are of the view that this issue will impact them electorally, because reform is one thing, but then something which cuts into the budget of a common man is a different thing altogether, and no politician would like to take a risk on that. So that would be part of the discussion. And secondly, they would also form, and I would also focus on the way Congress will formulate its strategy vis-a-vis the winter session, because there's a real chance that Mamata Banerjee on the issue of FDI and multi-retail will bring about a no confidence motion.
All right, Karthikeya Sharma, thank you for joining us today morning. We leave it at that.